going on, guys? Hey, we're back again today. All the viewers asked me to do a video on the seat adjustment to this dirt bike, and also this is a clutchless bike, so I'm going to show you how to shift gears on it. That was another request, so we're going to keep this video short and sweet. So first we're going to go ahead and measure the seat height. So this one, go ahead and measure it right down the center, just past the front set, and this one's measuring at 30 and a half. So now you can go ahead and go to adjust it. When we're doing that, come right back here, and you're pretty much just going to be adjusting the preload, and that's going to lift the seat higher. Just like we did on the previous video, you're going to adjust this until the spring compresses down. And if you get to a stopping point, I'm going to show you how to make even further adjustments. Now, if it's already a decent height, I recommend not doing this because this is going to change the way this bike is going to behave on the dirt. So depending on if you want softer suspension like for trails, or if you want stiffer suspension like if you're going to do pit races, or if you're doing some sort of motocross, you have to find the perfect median in between. So here we go. So now that we've already moved this suspension as much as we could to tighten it, and you find a stopping point. If you want to keep going, just get yourself a screwdriver and a hammer, and this is all you're going to do. Just lightly tap it, and as you can see, it's turning even further, and you can just keep going until you get to the tightness that you want. It's kind of difficult to do this, but we're measuring from in front of the front set again, and we come back and you can see we already adjusted, and we're already almost towards 32 inches. Alright, as for shifting these bikes that don't have a clutch, they're what you call semi-automatic. You're going to get on it. Once you start the bike, you should be in neutral. You can always roll it back and forth so you know you're in neutral. To go to the first gear, you're going to shift down. And now you can tell that it's a lot more difficult to move. Now to come back up to neutral, you'll do a half click up, and that takes you into neutral. While you're riding, if you want to shift the second, here's one. And to shift into second, you'll let go of the throttle. Well, not completely off, but you'll shift into second. That's third, and that's four. Now to go back all the way up, it's upward. And there you have it.